Lasubeb celebrated pupils who represented the board and emerged winners at the recently held exhibition in commemoration of the Young African Industrialist Week organized by the Lagos State Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Winners at the exhibition competition include National Orthopedic Special School Igbubi, Art and Craft Vocational Center Agege, and Wesley Special School.
Their entrepreneurial skill, their creativity, their originality has just been displayed here. We can see what they can use their hand to do for us. You understand? It shows that every child matters in Lagos State. It shows that every pupil counts in Lagos State. You know, despite their challenges, despite their disability, they have been able to show that there is ability in disability. This is what they have been able to do with their hand. It shows that every domain of learning and teaching, you understand, has been displayed here. The cognitive, the affective, and the psychomotor. They have been able to use their hands, their heads, and their heart. This is what they have been able to produce.
We used PET bottles, fluorescent papers, and glue to decorate. We first of all take a pipe. We cut our PET bottle in different sizes, and we put it inside the pipe. Then we use fluorescent paper to gum the mouth. Then we use wood to decorate the top. Then we use foam to decorate it round.
You know, during this Christmas period, we just say let us use an idea to make a Christmas tree because Christmas is coming.
The executive chairman, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, congratulated the pupils and encouraged them not to rest on their oars.
Every pupil counts. It takes special interest in all our children. And as such, we are here to appreciate, to commend, to celebrate, to encourage all our pupils for this notable achievement. We are proud of you. We want you to bring more laurel to us. It shows that in Lagos, our education, is looking at every angle.
In another development, Lasubeb organized its quarterly meeting to review the Eco-Excel initiative. The meeting was attended by relevant departments working with the technical partners to see how the initiative can be improved to achieve its desired results.
We want to make sure that pupils have enough time to use the skills that they are learning in the classroom. And sometimes we want to make sure that they are spending as much as 50% of the lesson time working independently.
Participants analyzed the data gathered, such as pupils and teachers' attendance.
No matter what we do, the impact of our work is largely felt in the local communities. And for that impact to be felt, it takes the guys at the grassroots to monitor and to implement on our behalf. And they at that level, as LGA officers, are the ones that are involved day to day in the life of their communities.
We need to guard the development of our pupils jealously so that we can see that growth and development and the future of our state, our country can be bright and wonderful. You see, what Eco-Excel is doing right now is making sure that literacy, numeracy, average intelligence, all these things, critical thinking, that they're all rising.
It is the quarterly review meeting of Eco-Excel as a program. We have our technical partners and we have all the relevant department that is working and collaborating with the technical partner to ensure that we have a smooth running of the program. We are discussing and to see how we can make correction where necessary and to see how we can introduce new technique to improve the system.
Eco-Excel is a government-designed and funded program to drive excellence in learning for 500,000 pupils across all 1,016 public primary schools.